Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for Mars cereal bars. So these are basically cereal bars, like an alternative of like Rice Krispie treats made with melted Mars bars. So let's get started.
Only a few ingredients. We need half a cup or 125 grams of butter. 4 + 1 Mars candy bars. Milky Way bars if you live in the US. 3 cups or 90 grams of Rice Krispies or Cornflakes cereal. 1 cup or 160 grams of milk chocolate chips or chopped milk chocolate. In a bowl, put in butter and 4 chopped up Mars bars. Melt the butter and candy bars together in the microwave until as melted as possible. There may still be some pieces of nougat. Stir in cereal. Pour into greased casserole dish. In a small bowl, break the chocolate in pieces or just put in the chocolate chips. Melt in the microwave until smooth. Spread on top of the cereal bars. Slice the last Mars bar into slices and place it on top of the cereal bars. Allow the chocolate to set up. These cereal bars are super chocolatey with a caramel top note. The cereal gives it a lovely crunchy texture. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.